My friends and future crypto millionaires, today the market is deep in the red, and it has been for the last month with a lot of altcoins, and that's why we're going to be buying $100 worth of one of them, which I'm going to share with you everything that you need to know why I'm buying this in the rest of the video. But if you're new here, make sure to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell for our daily videos every day, 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. We've been making videos here during the big, green periods, the red periods, and everything else. But please understand too, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy like you on YouTube, making videos. And full disclosure, I do hold the cryptocurrency assets that I'm going to be speaking about in today's video. So I do hold this, full disclosure there. And we've had some success building portfolios when everyone else looks like selling altcoins. And I want to share this project in particular because I still think that there's opportunity, and that's why I'm actually personally buying this crypto and have already bought some of this. So full disclosure, full honesty there. Also, this is not sponsored content. This is me just literally sharing with you what I'm doing with, my own money here. And it's a very appropriate size for me. So $100 again is very, I think, responsible for what I'm actually doing here for my net worth. Okay. I am a 7-figure entrepreneur. So $100 is 0.00001% of my net worth or whatever that might be. So that's how I'm viewing these investments. Crypto should be fun. It's very speculative. It goes up, it goes down. So you need to understand that though before you get started investing in this industry, because if you can't stomach the volatility, you're probably not going to make it in the long run for this crypto. But recently we saw here 4 hours ago, Russia to impose strict restrictions on crypto assets such as Bitcoin to strengthen the ruble dominance. So again, starting in September 1st, Russia is going to, basically restrict Bitcoin and say, no, you can't have this. And the markets have reacted to that. Now, my thoughts are whenever I see something like this, typically, right, we've seen China try to ban Bitcoin. Everyone's tried to ban Bitcoin at some point. And reality is you really can't ban it outright. If somebody really wants to have Bitcoin, even if, they're in Russia and whatnot, they, can probably find a way to get it, right? So I'm not telling anyone here on this channel to buy, sell, or trade any of these crypto assets because they're all very risky, but this is just the news that we have today. And the market has kind of reacted. Now, we also have other news in Hong Kong, spot crypto ETFs debuting tomorrow. So on one end of the spectrum, you have, in September, no Bitcoin. Then on the other hand, you have Bitcoin for everybody here in Hong Kong. So it's pretty crazy. But before the launch, the market accounts for 0.6% of the entire US ETF market. So it's a very small market. But again, a lot more adoption, I believe, is actually happening in crypto in the long run. And so that to me shows that, yes, I think crypto is here to stay. I don't think it's going anywhere anytime soon. And no matter how much people try to, not have it go mainstream, viral, I do think that it eventually is going to win out in the long run. So no matter where you're at in the world, you need to do your own research and you need to understand your own laws and restrictions and everything else. So make sure you do that. Now, what were the most popular crypto narratives last year? Artificial intelligence, gaming, meme coins, Solana ecosystem. If you would have just blindly invested in that, you would have done extraordinarily well. In fact, we did a lot of that and we've done extraordinarily well in our YouTube portfolio. Okay. Now this year, our portfolio is down with our entry points. All right. But we're going to be adding a new coin in just a second. Last year, when everything was red, right, like on days like today, we were buying and we were in losses in this portfolio for a while. Today, we're up over 125%, even on the red day today. That's because our entries were fantastic. You have, again, AI, layer ones, meme coins, layer ones, meme coins, gaming. So we've nailed these narratives, and that's what's going to lead us to make our decision today because we're going to be choosing a gaming coin. All right, we're doing gaming. Now, again, Bitcoin dripped all the way down to like 62, it going down to like 61 a little bit. I think that the sellers are starting to get a little exhausted. And there's been some technicals now that show me that buying at this point of the cycle could be profitable in the future. Now, there will be a time where we will sell. There will be a time, and it might be in 3 months, 6 months, it might be in a year from now. We don't know. But these cryptos that I'm buying right now, these altcoins, are not long-term holds yet. To me, this is more of a speculative, risky, hey, more of a trade. Okay, so please understand that we're going to be holding it until I kind of, say at some point that I'm going to be selling it, and I'll make an announcement here on YouTube for that. But, what is the coin that we're going to be buying, and how much are we going to be buying? Well, let's put it in our sheet here, add our transaction. The crypto we're buying today is called Beam, and we're going to be buying approximately, I think, 44,000. Yeah, it's a little bit high. So let's do 39.50. There we go. Perfect. All right, so somewhere, that's close enough. Okay, so now we have some Beam in our portfolio. Again, and the reason why we have Beam in our portfolio is because we are sticking to what has been working, right? The most popular crypto narratives. So if you look at our portfolio today now, we have some gaming, we have some meme coin, right? More gaming, and then we have DeFi. Okay, so this is more leverage on Ethereum actually. So again, we will continue to monitor this portfolio here in 2024 to let you know how things are going. But today we're buying $100 worth of Beam. So what is Beam? Beam is a new era of gaming according to their website. Now, Beam is an open source blockchain specializing in gaming. It's an ecosystem that simplifies the complexities of game development and dramatically enhances the gaming experience, putting the focus back on the player. So you can see here, if you don't know what Beam is, it's a layer 1 that is really specifically focused on gaming. And I believe they use Avalanche's technology. So if you don't know what Avalanche is, it's one of the biggest layer 1s out there right now. And it's very lightning fast. It's an EVM compatible chain. And it's not a layer 2, but it reminds me of like a layer 2 of Ethereum. Okay. So if you look at this, right, and you go to the market cap right now of Avalanche, it's sitting at a $12 billion, $13 billion valuation. Fully diluted is at 15. So this is a big, big project. This is a top 20 crypto right now. And Beam to me is like basically a focused version of Avalanche just for gaming. Okay, so it's really built for this, designed for this, it's scalable for this. And that's why I'm interested in this, right? Because we've seen the success of Avalanche hitting over $10 billion valuation. We've seen the success of gaming because, again, it was one of the hottest narratives that we saw according to CoinGecko. And a lot of these crypto gaming projects have done very, very well. So to me, this is a less risky speculative bet on that entire narrative, right? So you got gaming here. All right, so where do you go for gaming? Beam, right? There you go. That's the thing. Now, many other influencers have spoken about this. And I want you to kind of understand a little bit more about this project here so that we can understand what we're investing in. So you can go to their docs and you can do all this research yourself here, but I'll highlight a couple of things here. So one of the things that you want to focus on is the ecosystem. So what do they have right now? Now, I've been playing around on the ecosystem myself personally and actually investing in a few other crypto coins, and we'll get into more of that in a second. But the reason why I've done that is because I want to learn, right? For me to learn, I gotta dig around. I gotta do the swapping. I gotta do all that. So they have a swap, they have a bridge, and it works really, really well. It's actually really fast and very cheap. So that's what I like to do, okay, is play around myself and then reteach it to you. So you can access Beam Swap, right, just simply by going right here, swap.onbeam.com, okay, and then you can make swaps. It's very similar to Uniswap. It works very similarly, and it's a easy way for you to get access to a lot of these tokens. Now, a lot of these new tokens on Beam are like very, very risky, very high risk, but I believe like if you're early to an ecosystem, this is where the potential rewards are. Now, there's a ton of ecosystems these days, so why Beam? Why would I be so interested in this one? Again, we'll get into all of those details right now, but the fact that they already have like the infrastructure, like in their bridge, Explorer, OS, this to me is showing that like, yeah, there's some serious things going on here. And also they have some really big backing, and they also have a lot of games right now. So if you take a look at their latest announcement, here are some of their partners. So they have joined forces with Immutable and Polygon Labs for multi-chain expansion and product development. So between Polygon and Immutable, these are some huge partnerships. Okay, so new partnerships happened here, and again, this is a little bit older of an article, so it's not like super, super old or super, super new. But I wanted to share this with you today because this adds even more credibility to Beam, right? Like the fact that, okay, Polygon's been around for a while. That did over 100x in the last cycle. Immutable also has done very, very well recently. These are huge, huge players in the gaming ecosystem space of crypto. And I think that because, you know, they've joined forces now with Beam, it just adds even more credibility. All right. So let's take a look at the charts and do a little price prediction here. So if we're getting in right around 2.5 cents, you know, clearly here you can see that the market cap is 1.3 billion. So it's obviously a bigger market cap, right? But compared to Avalanche, which is like 12 or 13 billion, I still believe there's upside. Now we're also down from all-time high, approximately 40%, maybe right around 40, 50%, which to me, yes, it could still go lower, right? We could, you know, come down here, sweep these lows again, right? Maybe underneath here and then go higher, right? Like this right here is an important zone because we built a lot of support and then there was resistance and we got through the resistance. Okay. Now we're holding this as support, right? So to kind of give you an option here right now, this level is support. Okay. And it's, we tested it as support, bounce back. Now, if we keep doing that, we might break through, right? Deviate and then potentially head higher, or, you know, we're going to go all the way down to these next levels down here because this is like your next level. Now, I don't know if this is going to happen. This, you know, Bitcoin would have to like really, really, you know, go down a lot in order to see Beam hit these levels down here. But I just want to let you know, like, it's a possibility, right? You don't know. That's why, like, you basically are buying an amount of crypto that it really doesn't affect your life at all. Then it's an investment that you can truly afford to lose in case the downside happens, but in case the upside happens as well, you're prepared for both situations. And so to me, looking at this, again, the amount of volume compared to the market cap, I just don't think that there's a lot of people that are like actually playing around in this, and gaming, that narrative hasn't really hit yet. So to me, that's kind of where I'm at with Beam from a technical perspective. And that's why I'm comfortable buying this today. So I'm fully aware that if Bitcoin keeps going lower for whatever reason, there might be a better entry point. So how would I do this? For the video and the demonstration purposes, we're just buying the $100 today. But in all honesty, for this coin, I would just DCA, right? If it goes up or down, just continue to DCA up to an amount that you feel comfortable investing. And that's really the only way to do this, in my opinion, because the coin's already on the market. There's not much more to think about there. So yeah, that's kind of my evaluation for this crypto at this time. And again, you know, without going through the entire white paper and everything with you, Beam to me just seems like a no-brainer. Gaming to me, again, seems like an absolute no-brainer. And for all of these reasons, that's why we are buying Beam today. So if you're interested in learning even more about this, definitely come on over, you know, to their website. This website is very, very professional. It's very, very well done. And I guess a little bit more about this project too before we wrap things up is they have their Merit Circle DAO. They actually have a voting program and a governance forum. So again, there's more to holding this coin. It's probably like, well, if I buy this coin, what do I even do with it? There is governance, so that makes, you know, you have a say in the project itself, right? So that's something to kind of like think about. Okay, their ecosystem, transparency, and you know, it shows the transparency on their dashboard there. Everything's powered by the Beam token, and yeah, these are some of their you know, big partnerships, and you know, some recent news here with, you know, Forgotten Playland and you know, some other gaming projects that I think are going to do very, very well. And yeah, this to me just seems like a no-brainer. $1 billion market cap is definitely one to, you know, if you're bullish on gaming, have a little bit of exposure to, and that's why we decided to buy that today. Now, if you want to know how to build your own portfolios and how to continue to win in the game of crypto, we've proven it to you here in our VIP course as well. Again, today we're up over $10,000 still in one of our portfolios. One of our best performers has been Ethereum. We also made a meme coin portfolio. We're up over almost $11,000. We ended up getting and buying Floki, which is up 1,500% for us. And again, almost every single buy that we had in VIP has been profitable. Now, some of these are starting to dip into the red, but that's fine because we've nailed a couple of these that just outperform the entire thing. So again, I do think that we're going to continue to do very, very well into the future with our portfolios. Keep coming back to monitoring this with us. And I can't wait to see you in the next videos. But remember, if you do want to join us in VIP, click the links down below, because while the rest of the market and nobody's paying attention right now, this is your opportunity to learn with us here. And I have a lot more other cryptos that I'm personally buying. What I'm going to be teaching you here in this program is how to find these hidden gems for yourself before anyone else is even talking about them. And again, a lot more is happening here in the program and course. Students have had wild success here. Many of my students in the last bull run did very, very well for themselves. And again, there's some really, really big things coming here as well as more updates. So make sure to click the links down below. We'll see you in the next videos, so stay tuned.